signatures. But we have our coffee and olive oils and everything else that we offer.
And boutique tarts.
And we'll be opening in Newport and Fashion Island second week of October, hopefully.
Congratulations.
Amazing.
They'll be the kickoff.
You got it.
Well, have fun with that. And the man after my own heart. Chef.
You, chocolate rose.
He gave me a chocolate rose. Tell us about the chocolate. Where does this chocolate come from?
We actually get all of our chocolate from Venezuela, and then we bring it into our shop, and we use organic milk and cream, and we make our creations. And we have
Unbelievable.
what we're really known for is our airbrushed bonbons.
The company is called Christopher Michael Chocolates. I should have mentioned that.
Christopher Wood.
You're Christopher Wood, and that's that makes a great gift. I can imagine.
Great gift. And you know, it's one of those things too. Is at the end of the night, after you guys enjoy what they're preparing, you come to our booth and you can even get a little piece of chocolate. And we have artisan ice cream now, so it's one of those things where you come to us first when you walk in to get
And
your
then
ice cream. Then last when you're
Wonderful.
So,
Hey, your chance at home to have a taste of Newport, we're going to help you do it. You can text the word Newport right now to 515151. It is your chance to win 2 VIP tickets to Taste of Newport, including a parking voucher, 2 drink tickets, VIP tent, and VIP seating for the concert. The 1,000th person, 1,000 to text Newport, is going to win these VIP tickets.
And again, the 23rd annual Taste of Newport kicks off tonight through Sunday.
Such a good
Eat,
time.
drink, be merry, listen to some great music. Thanks everyone for coming down to make this fantastic.
How yummy is that?
Really.